I'm gonna explain this to you. This is one style, and this is another style. There's two different styles here. Can you order a whole roll and install it so she can understand the difference?
No.
Now that we've met with Bill and Colleen and gotten an idea of their style and space, it is time for D&G to get to work on their design.
All right, let's talk about Kluza.
Share those pictures with me. Let's see what we got.
These are her front runners right here.
Sweet. Oh, this is gonna turn out great.
See this, she likes this. We could do this on that back wall and then you could put your TV on there.
In order to get the Kluzas exactly what they want, we're taking a little bit of modern aspects and of course throwing in a little rustic twist and then making it 100% timeless.
Yeah, I like that too, actually.
It just looks like it, and then you can have a really pretty white table on the end and then you don't eat up this big open area.
Okay, let's do that. I like that idea a lot.
Once we've narrowed down the overall design, we pull the team together to dig into the floor plans and find the best way to use the current available space.
She literally has no storage in it.
Yeah.
No coat closet, no vacuum cleaner storage, nothing.
Okay.
We wanted to build in a secret door. Can we push the door closer to this wall so that we can make this be the door instead?
Yeah.
Remember though that this is gonna stick out, close at least 26 to 28 inches.
Big reveal projects are incredibly fun, but they certainly do come with unique challenges.
I mean, there's a lot to do to make sure every piece fits in, but not only that, our name and our brands on it, so we really want it to look right. So we're really trying to study that, study the estimate, study what we're doing in the house and everything that we're doing into one budget total. So and then we'll head on to our on-site meeting and start getting this thing rolling. Main floor remodel, we're redoing the kitchen, and then we're gonna be framing in part of the garage, so we'll have to have electrical and some stuff out there. So try not to fall through the ceiling if we can, guys, and then we should be good, so. So we have pre-construction meeting with all our subs. We explain everything that's going on with our plans and basically showing them what's what and what's going to happen. So that's what you're seeing here.
I do believe we're moving the fridge over maybe, and you might have to move that water line.
I've got 2 sheets of plywood put in here. We'll put a 2x6 wall across here, and we'll cut the opening inside there into the house and put a header in.
It's good that we do a pre-construction meeting just because then I can get fresh eyes on the design again to make sure that we picked out everything we needed. I had remembered some things being different, so I think we're set.
Clayton, are you guys good with the plumbing for here and there? Yeah, you guys are all good. All right, buddy, thank you. Awesome. This place is ready for a makeover. We got cobwebs on the light, old TVs, old mantles, to the kitchen with the oak cabinets. Like, come on, who still has oak? That shit's out of style. All this stuff, everything, it's all going. Boom, everything's going. Lights, flooring, baseboard, most of the drywall in here. Some of the walls are being removed. Everything in here is going to be an insane change. So stay tuned, we're out of here.